Books are a wonderful way to explore new worlds and ideas. They come in many shapes and sizes, from big ones to small ones, with pictures or just words. Some books tell exciting stories about brave heroes and magical creatures, while others teach us about the world around us. When you open a book, you enter a different place and time. You can travel to far-off lands, meet interesting people, and learn about different cultures. Books can take you on adventures without even leaving your home. There are many types of books to choose from. There are storybooks with fairy tales and adventures, picture books with colorful illustrations, and even books about animals, science, and history. You can find books about dinosaurs, space, animals, and so much more. Reading books is not only fun, but also helps us learn new words and improve our language skills. As we read more, we become better at understanding stories and expressing our thoughts. It's like exercising our brains. One of the best things about books is that you can share them with others. You can read with your family, friends, or even your pets. Reading together can be a special time to bond and enjoy stories together. So whether you like funny stories, scary adventures, or learning new things, there's a book out there for you. Just pick one up, open the pages, and let your imagination soar.